As requested, I have sought out and I found Spiritless, that turns out to be a brand name, non-alcoholic cocktails. So we're going to break it open, we're going to taste it. I'm going to make 3 drinks. I'm thinking old-fashioned mint julep and maybe a Kentucky smash. So bourbon-forward cocktails. Angostura is very high in alcohol content, but I think a dash in a large quantity won't matter too much. Like, you can throw Ango in soda water, seltz or whatever, and it's still 0 ABV. You're throwing a couple drops in a large quantity. You should be fine. Let's give it a taste on its own and see how it tastes. How do I even open this? Seriously, how the hell do I open this? Jeez. Alright, let's just give it a take. How do I word this? Get me another cup. I want to see something here. Because it smells bourbon-esque. That's what this is, by the way, the bourbon. I have a tequila, that's for another video. It smells bourbon-esque, but there's something missing. It smells very sweet. Thank you. Here, we'll go from the decanter on this one. Let's put that on the spotlight. Oh, it's kind of reddish. What is this? Smell this. What is that? There's a scent in there that I can't place. It's like cherry, maybe?
Like a cherry?
It's
red.
Okay, ingredients. Spirit non-alcoholic oak distillate, water, natural flavors, glycerin, sugar, citric acid, xanthan gum, sodium benzate, preservative, sodium sorbate, preservative. So they're trying to make this shelf stable, but I don't know if it can be. All right, let's take a sip. It's flat. It's flat and a little chemically. You want to try it? This is the actual bourbon. This is Elijah Craig, a barrel proof. It's loud. It hits you. It's hot, but good. There's strong vanilla, oak, and just at the back end, it's warming down to the stomach. This just tastes like wood juice. Okay, let's make a cocktail with it, I guess. All right, I mean, we're looking at bourbon, so let's put it in an old fashioned. Let's give it a go. Give it a go. All right, we're gonna need 2 ounces of our wood juice. Violent. It is very upset. We're just gonna free pour some simple over this. Like, I'm super lazy making this, I'm sorry. Free pour a little bit of simple. Oh, I am gonna need an orang out of the fridge, please. Let's go 3 dashes of Ango. Stir it up. And put some orang over it from a previous video. Spiritless old fashioned. It's not terrible. The the artificial stuff from the spiritless is really shining through on that one. It has waxy, kind of. See if a little bit more bitters helps. I doubt it, but it's worth a shot. Spin that off the ice. Get off the ice. It tastes, you know what it tastes like? Flat cherry Pepsi. I'm not getting any bourbon taste from it at all. It tastes like flat cherry Pepsi. That's all I'm getting from it. Let's try a smash. So we're going to do a maple bourbon smash, and we're going to need 2 ounces of our bourbon to start with. And I was thinking Manhattan, sour, all that stuff. But I'm a little bit leery on egg whites with non-alcoholic bourbon. It's probably not going to emulsify properly. So I went with drinks that just have bourbon and non-alcoholic additives with it. So we're going to need 2 ounces of the bourbon. Fresh out of the freezer. 2 ounces of our bourbon. 4 dashes of Vango. We're going to need, I believe, a half an ounce of maple syrup. And right here we're at a maple syrup old fashioned. We're going to need juice. Some orange juice. I need a bigger kniffy. I got this as a Christmas gift. How cool is this? I got it in a gift exchange. It's great. Half an ounce of orange juice. Give me all your juice. More orange juice. Need more orange juice. It's a little bit to get Mehthany over, but half an ounce of that. And we're going to need a 1/4 ounce of our lime juice. I cut that the wrong way. I don't think it matters too much. Oh, this is a juicy one. 1/4 ounce of our lemon juice. And top up with some seltzer. Traditionally, it calls for an orange wheel, so we'll put a garnish with an orange wheel. Super fancy with my wilty, stupid orange. Mix it up a little bit. Let's try and mix it up. No? Yes. Just shove the whole thing in there. Okay, it's not terrible. It really has that heavy flat Pepsi taste to it. It's not bad. The camera died because the person who's supposed to be watching I took the opportunity to clean up. It's not bad. It's not terrible. I can see why you would think this is a fine alternative. And if you're not going to drink and you're going to be around people who are drinking and you want something and you don't want to look like Leonardo DiCaprio in The Departed, can I get a cranberry vodka? What do you got on your period? Then you got to fight an old Russian guy or an old Irish guy. It's a whole thing. It's fine. I wouldn't drink it. I would drink it if someone made it for me, I guess, but I'm not ordering this. It's okay. It's just okay. She tried it. She said it tastes like flat soda. It's got a little bit of a natural sweetness to it. Kind of leaves a wax feel. But this has a lot of strong flavors in it. It's got the orange. It's got the lemon. It's got the maple syrup that all hide that. But it's still there. It'd be really good if it had that burn to it, but let's try a julep. So we're going to do a mint julep. I don't have any crushed ice, so I'm just going to break some up and throw it in a cup, and that'll have to be good enough. That'll work. Good enough. I went and got the leaves, so we're going to activate it. This is going to be the laziest julep you've ever seen. So just so you guys are all aware. This is just the laziest julep any man has ever made in the history of ever. My plant is dying. The leaves aren't good. So we're just working with what we have. It's terrible. So we have our leaves kind of... this is really an abomination. We need a ½ ounce of simple. Free pour it. About a ½ ounce of the simple of syrup. We need 2 ounces of our bourbon. We're going to give it a little bit of a stir and knock all of our mint leaves out. This is hands down the worst mint julep ever, but it is so strong. That's not bad. The only reason it's not bad is because the mint is just covering for all of it. And anybody who doesn't know, mint is a really pernicious flavor and odor, so it's kind of covering up everything. That's not terrible. Make it correctly and it'll probably be a lot better. But yeah, it's not bad. That's drinkable. I'd say that's drinkable. The bourbon is very one note, very mute. There's not a lot going on with it. So you're getting nothing from the bourbon. It's not bad. This is probably the best one out of it. Probably as good as it's going to get. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We have other stuff coming up, like gin cocktails will be one. We got a whole bunch of cool stuff. So this was the alcohol-less bourbon. I gotta tell you, not a fan. Not really a fan. Miss Sin tried it. She's not a fan. So this is probably going to be a no for me, dog. But if its intended purpose is to have somebody have a mocktail or for whatever reason, it'll do that just fine. Out of all the zero alcohol drinks I have tried, this is easily the best. We have this one too, I would like to try. It's distilled non-alcoholic spirits for tequila cocktails. So I've heard good things about this one too, so that'll be one we do in the future. But guys, thank you for watching. Please smash a like, please share it out to all that stuff that YouTube enjoys, and leave a comment if you have anything you want to see in the future. Please give me an idea. This was a viewer suggested video. I'm on Patreon, all the patrons listed down below. Thank you very much. I'm on Twitch, Twitter, TikTok, and a whole bunch of other places. Just find me over there. Take it easy.